Oh, I really fucking hate this fucking implant, but whatever. At great speeds, the country should be um, re-envisioning how and the re-envisioning the infrastructure for setting up a UBI. It's like no. Ugh. Close the door. Ugh. Let me go outside. Help YouTube by answering your question. I don't remember what it was. I was saying something, but it was pretty good. I don't remember what it was anymore. It was basically that, I don't know, everything runs on business. Something else. There was something. Oh. Something else. What the hell was it? That was that, that's the goal. Is making sure we don't have a fucking collapse. So, understanding where AI is going, making sure that there is an infrastructure for a UBI when needed, not if needed. Making sure that all of our systems and our hypothetical roads are clear and strong. That should be the priority. Every day until the next 5 years. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Maybe, I don't know how long it takes, but gotta start sometime. If that doesn't occur, then it doesn't look very good. We have to merge. If we don't merge these sort of separate counties and make these programs efficient, then we'll go. Really, it's that, or everything fails and then everybody just issues SBA and PPP loans again. So, what do you want to do? We should have had a UBI 10 fucking years ago. Even if it's $1. Even if it's $5, or even if it's $10. If it's, I don't know, whatever. I can't, the damn will, man. I don't know. Fucking will. There's not gonna be jobs. There's not gonna be enough time to train for new jobs. It's just not gonna happen. I'm sorry. It's just not gonna happen. There will be no time to train for new jobs. Our society will crumble. At least American society will crumble, and it will be turned into a second world country, if those are a thing. Have to do something. To do something legally. These old systems won't work. These small counties can't take it. People that support the right, I don't think they get what I mean by it. You're gonna need the government. I mean, it really is a balance, but at the same time, it's just a balance. Government's not bad. Elected TR, would you say government's bad? Having government's hand in the, yeah? I wouldn't. Government is the power to regulate these entities that we cannot, as citizens. I don't know. Pretty fucking worried about all this. Like I said, it doesn't look good. There are no... I don't think people believe me. There are no jobs. And the ones that are, they're taken. There's only... So what do you do then? Like I said, there'll be no time. I mean, you could go to school and train and get a loan, I guess, and sort of play school and have shelter that way. But when you get out, there probably won't be a job unless it's some sort of doctorate or a incentivized job. Celebrities probably won't exist in the future. I know that sounds crazy, but it won't be like Justin Bieber or anything. The sort of daytime TV with Ellen, that stuff won't exist. We'll be too worried about other shit. Like I said, it's like during the recessions or what we care about shifts. It's so easy to become famous now. It's like that, but it's like diminishing it, and it all will diminish. Everything will be the same. Everything will sound like the same thing. I think. AI. Talent. What will be talent? I'm serious, it's very scary, this. The AI. And you can't limit it either. If I was Prezi right now, I'd probably start building and making America strong. Making sure that these counties are efficient and strong. That's what I would do. And then I would impose a tax. That's going to be, at some point, that's going to be one of the only main sources of income. Is taxes on big tech and other entities like that. At some point, that's going to be the only income. And it will have to be like this sort of recycling of money. And I'm worried. Alright. I don't know what to do about that. I'm not the president. I don't know. Alright.